I want to send a message to my subscribers. I love my subscribers. They are lovely. Well, I really needed an emoji here. So I'm going to hit Windows key dot and I have my emoji picker where I can select all the lovely emojis showing love to my subs. As you can see, or as you saw, English, this was done in Windows. And everybody agrees that the emoji picker that you can use by hitting Windows key and dot, it's really nice and very convenient. But sadly, in Linux, we don't have that, we don't have nothing equivalent, or do we? Or do we? Let's see if we do. Let me present you how it's done. And it's quite easy actually and very lovely. So if you want to have your emoji picker exactly like in Windows, you have in Linux emoji picker. Yeah, the emoji picker tool actually allows you to pick emojis. You just have all the family, even more, or let's say it's on par at least. Let's not start those conversations with Windows. So let's say love here. Love letter, blah, 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 love emoji, bam, ka-chow, there you go. So if you open the text editor, now you have all the smiley hearts that your heart content wants. So we go back here, and there we go, there we go. Now, it's simple as installing emoji picker, okay? The thing is, if you want to use that with the same or similar keyboard shortcut, how can you do it? It's quite easy. So I'm using Cinnamon, but you can find this the similar thing on your own desktop environment like KDE and others. Okay, you just need to go to your keyboard settings and or find something like shortcuts. Okay, now you just need to create your custom shortcut. I have my own already. I'm going to remove it. Okay, just to show how it's done from the beginning. You just hit there here add custom shortcut in the bottom here. Add custom shortcut. You click on that. Name whatever you wanted. I'm going to call it emoji picker. If I can type. God damn it. And the command is emoji picker after you install it. To install in Fedora, it's NF install emoji picker. To install in Ubuntu, it's apt-get emoji picker. It's really simple to install. You click add. Then you just assign your keyboard shortcut, Windows key dot. And now I can say, I love my subscribers. I hit Windows key dot, and I can get access to my emoji picker like exactly in Windows. So let's go hearts. Let's use these two hearts. You left click, you say copy to click, copy it to click to keyboard, and then you can just copy to your heart's content and put your emojis wherever you want them. So emoji picker, it's a very cool feature. I don't know why people don't share this anymore or more. You can have the exactly same functionality. English. You can have the exact same functionality you have in Windows by using Windows key dot, but plus you have more emojis. No, let's not go through the competition side of things. It just works, and you can actually use a different keyboard combination, different than Windows dot. I just like to use a Windows dot. It's convenient, it works, but you can use whatever combination you want. So if you need emojis in your text messages, YouTube comments, well, why don't you put a bunch of love emojis on the comment section of this video? I would love to see that. Let's spam the comment section of this video with emojis. Using Windows, using Linux, whatever, just use your emoji picker. If you're using Linux, just let me know. This was done with emoji picker on Linux, and spam with a bunch of hearts and beautiful things to another. Let's love each other. Like, subscribe, hype, and comment. It will help. I just lost the words there. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.